YouTube title: Gradient at a Point Explained Clearly. Polynomial Differentiation Mastery. Thumbnail caption question: f of x equals x cubed minus x squared minus 9x minus 4. Our goal is to find the gradient function, also called the derivative, of this polynomial. Step 1. Understand the power rule. If you have a term a times x to the n, its derivative is n times a times x to the n minus 1. In words, bring the power down and subtract 1 from the exponent. Step 2. Differentiate term by term for f of x equals x cubed minus x squared minus 9x minus 4. First, write the function. Term 1. Derivative of x cubed is 3x squared. Term 2. Derivative of minus x squared is minus 2x. Term 3. Derivative of minus 9x is minus 9. Term 4. Derivative of the constant minus 4 is 0. Step 3. Combine the results. The gradient function is f prime of x equals 3x squared minus 2x minus 9. As a quick example, if we want the gradient at x equals 2, we substitute into f prime of x. Compute the value carefully to get the exact slope at that point. Let us visualize the curve and see the tangent line at x equals 2. We draw axes and the function. We mark the point at x equals 2 and draw the tangent line with slope -1. Final result. The gradient function is f prime of x equals 3x squared minus 2x minus 9. Use it to find the slope at any x value instantly. Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, and then follow and subscribe for more quick problem-solving tips. Let's make maths simple. One video at a time only on Myverse Maths.